Are you ready for this? Tuca might be a cat, but he thinks he's a dog. He plays like a dog, sleeps like a dog, and even eats like a dog. So why does Tuca act like a dog? Well, maybe it's because his best friend is a dog. A big, cuddly dog named Brady. And when you spend every second with someone you love,
The dog and cat run together whenever they see me.
sometimes you can't help but copy them. These two are definitely best animal friends. This is the story of Tuca and Brady. When